Alright, YouTube, back again with the Am Ryker Shadow Black. About to do my daily ride, and before I do my daily ride, I do the inspection on all my wheels. And I'm quite sure that you know already that Cam has issued a recall over its wheel locks, the nuts, the lug nuts, that they are cracking. So while doing my daily inspection, guess what I found? You can see it right there. It's totally cracked. It's completely split. Now they say that the wheel will not come off as long as you have this ring, but that sounds a little bit weird to me, be riding around. So it's going back to BRP. I'll keep you updated on what's gonna happen. I don't know if they're gonna tow it, or do they want me to ride it, or they're gonna send me a lug nut. I don't know, but I'll keep you updated. Please, everybody with Rikers, check your wheel nuts.